are going ghetto today. Don't come out of there yet, Mr. Z. Getting our got a good deal on 2 rooms down here, which was outstanding because, well, they know me in the group now. Let's take a look at the room. I don't even think that it has. I don't even think the damn thing has a heater or air conditioning. All right, guys, pretty good for bargain price here. It's actually not too bad. Pretty good size. It does not have a heater in it, and believe it or not, this is the AC unit. It just has low, medium, low, and high here, but I'm getting an extra blanket here. So got the bathroom in here, rather simple, but it does the job. And it's got this little, look at this little thing here. Its own desk area. So let's go down and check on Mr. Z. Oh man, he's already assuming. What are you doing down there? How are you? Are you? Or you go against that wall again, Joe. It's like you're ready for. Holy smokes! Look at this, man. It's like ready for inspection here, huh? Nothing but the best for you, Mr. Z. We certainly got our money about this. Here, you were joking when we came down. The only thing missing is the barbed wire, and then all of a sudden I show you. Hey, there it is. There's the barbed wire on the top right there. Unbelievable.
This is a hotel.
With all the greatest accommodations, well, for 20 bucks, you know, there it is.
I'll do it.
The guard's coming to frisk you, so yeah. All right, there we go. Give him a big woo. Woo.